Marie Curie, the scientist who sacrificed everything for discovery. Marie Curie was born Maria Sklodowska in Warsaw, Poland, at a time when women weren't allowed to attend university. Determined to learn, she enrolled in Poland's underground Flying University, a secret institution that educated women in defiance of Russian authorities. To fund her sister's education first, and later her own, she worked for years as a governess, living in poverty and postponing her own dreams. At 24, she moved to Paris to study at the Sorbonne, often surviving on little more than bread and tea, and studying by candlelight in an unheated apartment. Her hardship never dulled her curiosity. It sharpened it. Before we go further into how she changed science forever, if you're enjoying these stories of people who refuse to give up, take a second to hit subscribe. It really helps this channel keep telling these stories. Curie's relentless determination led her to discover two new elements, polonium and radium, and to coin the term radioactivity. Her research demanded extraordinary sacrifice. She worked with radioactive materials without knowing the danger, and the radiation exposure that fueled her discoveries would eventually cost her health and, ultimately, her life. Despite immense resilience in the face of skepticism as a woman in science, Curie became the first person ever to win 2 Nobel Prizes in 2 different sciences, physics and chemistry. Her work laid the foundation for modern cancer treatment and nuclear science. Vocabulary and context. Curiosity, a strong desire to know or learn something. Determination, firmness of purpose. Resolve, sacrifice, giving up something valued for the sake of other considerations. Resilience, the capacity to recover quickly from difficulties.